Right then, here we go. Now, what's that say above the door? Can you read it? Nope, neither can I. Right, this one's called, here we are, St. Nicholas Church, Church Road, Durweston. So, some manky fruit. Right, that's it. Can you read that? Cool. Oh, some more writing here. Some more writing over here. I wrote graffiti, one of the two. Right, there's more graffiti up here. Above the door. In the door. Wow. Does that say 1720 up there? Right, let's have a look inside. Step down. Oh, it's a bit dark in here. Dark. If I go slow, I can't get the light out. It's back in the car. Look at that. Nice little font. A font for baptism. Can you read that? It's got nice little crosses on it. Cool. What's this? Looks like a bird box. It's a lectern. Wooden one. Can't see that at all. Oh, hang on. Right. Not a puff. I've been walking around the graveyard. It's quite an old graveyard. I've seen a kernel in there from 1800s. Right, this is rector's from 1309. Up there. I'll go down slowly. Ish. This one here. Is that the one I seen at the graveyard? Viscount Portman. Cool. Right. Stone floors. Right, there's the back of the church here. Quite dark. Very dark. Now turn around. Look up the other end towards the altar. Very nice. It's got a nice big wooden ceiling or roof. Interior roof. I can see the big eagle from here. I can see that. Right, here's doesn't look like it's been polished in a while. But it's a big bird, this one. He's got a strong looking back on him. Look at that. His big giant claws, I guess. Beautiful. Cool. Don't see any writing on it. Some writing on the front here. It says entrance to the vault of W.C. Haywood, ASO Esquire, isn't it? So, it's the pulpit. Right. That's what we can see from the pulpit. It's quite dark in here, as I said. Right then. Into the altar area. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that pipes. Aren't they gorgeous? The organ pipes. I can see a bathroom in the background there. That's cool. Beautiful. Let's have a look up here. What does it say? In memory of the Earl of Leyburn and Millville, born April 5th, 1886, died 1913. Wow. Beautiful. That's looking back down the church. Now, when they got these bars on the altar area, I don't open them. I stay off the altar because obviously they don't want you up there. So, what's this over here? Can't read it. It says, well, I can't read it because I'm stretching over to look at it. But it's got a glass with etchings on it. 1919 to 39. So the First and Second World War starts. And the one start of another. Right, leaders. I'm just walking around the graveyard and quite find some older war graves. This one, it's not a war grave, I don't think this one is. This one's called the 6th Viscount Portman, born 19th of February 1868. Rest in peace. Died at Durweston, that's where I am, 2nd November 1946. And his name was Seymour Berkeley, or Berkeley. In this really old graveyard, all the trees have overgrown. Got some stones this side. Can't really get to because everyone's got ivy on them. Had to pull some ivy off a couple of the war graves. I don't know what's happened to this one. It's all sort of all been chiselled out or something. But it's called St Nicholas's in Durweston. It's near Blandford.